Many agency owners have a hard time getting their staff to reach their full potential. They can talk to their blue in the face about how to sell value and not price, how to overcome objections, but there's something about sending them here to work with Craig, myself, and our team.
And this brings you back to what you became an insurance agent for, and that's to protect people.
I love the environment, non-judgmental and very easygoing.
Just the learnings, the professionalism, the takeaways were off the charts.
First of all, you have to have a list of things that you feel like are your weak spots. The things that you want to work on the most, the things that you are troubled with.
I would refer friends and colleagues coming to this workshop. It is a great learning experience and a great tool that you can use for the rest of your life.